Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change call ringtones on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on your profile from the top of your screen. In your profile, you can see the incoming call ringtones option. Tap on it. Now, tap on the change option. Simply swipe up or down and search for the ringtone that you like. Once you have found the ringtone you like, tap the select button at the bottom right corner. Finally, tap on the set button to save your changes. And this is how you can change call ringtones on WeChat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.